Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Pretty excited about this trunk right here. Very excited. It comes from Viking Bags, and I've been eyeing this right there for many months because, as you guys know, I do have the saddlebags from Viking as well. I'm going to be putting some B-rolls here as I'm speaking so you guys can check it out. And again, I put this on my 2005 Road King Classic. And if you're not aware, the Road King Classic comes with leather bags. Eventually they get all messed up, and you know what? I wanted to replace it. I wanted to have in the stretched ones. And obviously you could get them the same color, all that stuff. But I wanted to stay, I guess in a way, I wanted to stay with the same concept. I wanted to stay with the concept of having leather on bags. I mean, the classic look, right? So Viking Bags is pretty much the only company out there that I know that does this. Now, I got the bags at a really good price. I was hoping to get a better discount code for the saddle or for the trunk, because sometimes, by the way, they have like 20% off, 30% off. I got 10% or maybe 11% off. They gave me a little bit more for being in the military. So 11, hey, it works. So if you're planning to buy this, check the website and kind of be in the lookout, because again, sometimes they have really good discounts. Now, this is going to be a first look kind of thing. I just had it for maybe a few days or so I wanted to put a video here. Maybe in the next few months, obviously I come back and do kind of like a review video on this. And again, it's the one that matched the bag. So if you're looking for bags and you're looking for a trunk, it's a great choice. You can put them in any Road King, by the way, and they do have different colors. At least for the bags, they have white, leather. I'm not sure for the trunk. So again, here you have it. It's just awesome. I like it. I really like it. And I'm going to tell you, for the price that you're going to get it, it's going to be really well. I think the Harley trunk is about 600 and something, and then you got to buy the mount. Now, if you haven't seen my video on the mount, I'll link it down below. It's from Hawks Works, and again, it's okay. I mean, I don't have a lot of experience when it comes to this, so I can't tell you if it's the best mount ever, but it's good enough, I guess. It's more than the typical eBay mount out there. So far, it looks good. It attached, and again, it's not the easiest way to detach and attach. It's not like so simple, but it's simple enough, if that make any sense. Alright guys, before I continue, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you think about this video. I've been doing a lot of motor vlogs and things like that. So again, I appreciate if you watch this channel. You guys are fantastic. So the biggest question people are going to ask if it fits a helmet. And I'll tell you, it fits a full-size helmet with no issue. I put mine there. It looks just fine. And you do have more space. Now, obviously, I don't think it's going to fit two helmets, but if you have a full-size helmet and you have a little helmet, half-size helmet or something like that, it's probably going to fit as well. Now, one thing that I will tell you is that it's fiberglass and it's just, you know, kind of like wrapped with this leather. And again, I think that it's the same way that the saddlebags are made. I'm not sure if it's made in the USA. Last time I checked, and again, I'm not sure on this trunks, it's like made in Mexico or something like that. But again, for some of you guys that care about that stuff, obviously do more research on that. But again, I'm not really sure if it's made in the USA or not. One thing that I will tell you is that it comes with a key. So here's the thing, you know, if you have the saddlebags and the trunk, the biggest complaint that people usually have is the key. You have to have the key to be able to open it up, right? There is no button that you press. You have to stick a key in there and obviously open it and lock it. To me, it's really not a big deal. Oh, it was not with the bags because it was the same key. Now I have a trunk, so now I got two sets of locks that are different. So again, I got two sets of key. A lot of times I'm putting the wrong key in there. It is what it is. To me, it's really not a horrific deal, but something that you can, you know, deal with that, I guess, in a way. I did saw a video from a guy here on YouTube that was talking about that. Apparently, he contacted Viking Bags and they really didn't help him at all. But if you want to have the same key or not, and again, I haven't contacted Viking Bags on that, you may have to go to a locksmith or something like that to get all three locks in the same system. If it's not a big deal to you, who cares? But again, you do need the key to open the bags for sure. And if you have the saddlebags, it's going to be a different key. Maybe if you order all three at once, maybe you get the same key. I don't know. You will have to contact Viking bags and talk about that stuff. Obviously, if you look right here, I have this backrest right here, which is really nice. I mean, it looks comfortable enough. I don't have a passenger, so I can't tell you how comfortable it is. But again, you know, you have that separation between your trunk and, you know, a little bit of padding right there, so your back is comfy, I guess. So that's something that is a plus. I did saw that they have another trunk out there that doesn't have that. So again, make sure you order the one that you want, right? And not only has like the padding here, but it does have like another little piece that kind of hangs down, and again, it provides some of that separation as well. So let me tell you something that I like. This is the top one. You have that Viking, you know, logo right here, which is kind of small. It's not that big. I mean, it's kind of nice. It fits kind of nice. It's not crazy logo or anything like that. So again, I do like how it looks right there. It would be nice to have a choice to take it out for now, but I do like how you have all the stitches like this. You have really nice designs. If you see all those designs, obviously you may be able to see it when I put the B-roll, right? One thing that I don't like, if you see right here, I got 2 screws right there. Again, this one's not a big deal, but again, you have a little metal screws right there. But I want to show you the key. Obviously, I got the right one now, and when I open it up, here's a couple things that I don't like. Again, you have this little stubbies right here. So you see the stubbies right there? These things could be kind of sharp in a way. So I have my helmet in here, and if you touch this, obviously you're going to be able to, or you're going to scratch your helmet. So that's something to keep in mind. If you have a helmet, you need to figure out something in here because it is going to scratch your helmet. It does have a little bag right here, which if you open up, again, you're going to be able to put some paperwork and things like that. That's kind of nice. And you have this right here, which if you open it up, you see the adjustments, or at least the system that is utilized to attach a trunk into the rack. So again, this kind of provides a separation between the rails and the accessories and all that stuff, which by the way, it comes with the trunk. Everything that you need is going to come with that. Now, one thing that I want to mention is this thing right here. So this is kind of like, I guess in a way, what kind of holds the trunk from, you know, hyper standing or something like that. So again, it's okay, but if you see, look how this moves. So again, it doesn't look, I don't know, it looks like you should have some kind of spring or something there, but it's only one. And again, this is kind of like what is used to close it, as you can see. And again, it moves too much to my liking. But other than that, guys, it's a gorgeous, just gorgeous trunk. I mean, I think for the money, you can't beat it. You know, I think I paid $506 in total with the rack. Obviously, I got a more expensive rack, but if you get one from eBay, you're looking at $60. You're looking about $370 for this. So you're looking about $450. For $450, you could get a really beautiful trunk that is going to allow you to put your helmet. It's going to allow you to put your stuff to go camping. It's going to allow you to put your lunch to go to work. I mean, the capabilities that you have here is fantastic. And then the fact that it could be combined with the bags, I mean, it brings a lot of capabilities in my opinion. Again, you know, the fact that you have this bags with this trunk for, you know, less than $1,000, you could get the whole system. To me, that's really nice. And you know what? It's quite a pretty good, I mean, again, it's a good amount of money, but it's really not expensive consider some of the Harley products and things like that. You could buy bags for a lot of money and trunk for a lot of money. So again, this is kind of like a nice look. If you got a Roll King Classic that is older and you want to kind of spice it up, putting a nice trunk, nice leather bags makes it look really, really cool. All right, guys, there you have it. What do you guys think? Again, this is going to be a first look. More videos coming up. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, gotta stay in control.